we'll be competing in a Christmas slime battle with a mystery wheel.
Let's get to it. My color's red.
My color's green.
My color's silver. And golden. Well, then let's go with the Christmas colors. And take on spinning the mystery wheel.
Each time we land on the door, we get the mystery. It could be a consequence or it could be good. If it's something good, we have to add it to our slime. At the end of this challenge, we're gonna vote to see who has the best looking slime.
The winner gets a Christmas present. Yes, let's do it. I'm excited.
Okay.
Well, then let's start with the
Yours too is like New Year's, me and Rich is just like Christmas.
Now it's time to add shaving cream.
Your shaving cream up. Okay, you ready? I'm gonna help you. 3, 2, 1. Or tell me when to stop.
Stop.
Oh!
Now it's getting so bright.
3, 2, 1.
Stop. Mix it fast.
Mix it, yeah.
Okay. Whoa.
Okay, now what?
Where
Mr.
Mystery wheel! Mystery wheel!
Now it's time for the mystery wheel!
Wait, don't stop. Obviously, it's gonna do orange.
Orange.
Green and red bells say.
I hope I don't get a bad one. It will be really bad.
Oh yeah, the latest. This is paper.
Did I get the same color as Rich? Still green and. You have to put that mask on. You cute. Oh, we got nasty.
Myra, you only have to wear it for a minute.
I wonder if Sharon's gonna like me.
He's sniffing Myra.
Now the time is up, Myra. Yay!
It's my turn. Don't do orange.
Orange.
Yeah, I got lights. It's gonna look so cool. I'm gonna wrap this around my slime. Oh, that looks better. Now time for my turn. 3, 2, 1. You want yellow. Oh! I got stocking and mistletoe decorations.
Time for round 2. I hope somebody gets bad this time.
If I get bad again, nice.
Yes! Rainbow! 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 Yeah! Look how cool my lights are!
Woo!
I hope I don't get a bad one this time because Sharon actually did like me. Spin, spin, spin. Alright, wait. Hey,
White.
Yay! I got Christmas trees and jingle bells. They're my colors.
Now it's my turn. Blue. More light. 3, 2, 1. White. Oh, snowflake.
Strawberry. Oh, can I please? One more round.
Oh, Rich got a blindfold. Rich, you have to be blindfolded. You have to wear a blindfold for 1 whole minute.
Bruh.
He's like, what the heck? Myra, you undid them wrong. Rich, you can't take it off.
Okay, I hope I get a good one this time. Green.
Oh,
Yes! My color!
this is my last spin. Oh, that's what I wanted.
Let's
go.
Okay.
My last spin. 3, 2, 1.
What's my last spin?
Green glitter.
Oh,
Once you pour it in, I'm gonna mix it. Thank you.
Now it's time for some the Woohoo!
Me and Rich are gonna add some food coloring so our slime looks more like the holidays.
Mine is ours.
No, if you mix it, it'll. Whoa. Now let's put in some glitter.
This is
like what I need for it.
It actually works.
Oh yeah, this is great. What grade?
I want to win it.
Oh yeah.
Can I open the present? And what could I trade you for the blind?
Rue was asking me to trade for him for a blindfold.
And I said no.
Mine is so bad. Mine is like all the glitter is sticky to my hands right now, but mine is still super good. For mine, I can still feel all the borax and there's tons of glitter in it.
Good?
Nothing. Look, mine is like actually like a galaxy.
I have a punching hand. That's 3, 2, 1. Yours is the stretchiest. I think
No,
yours is... Mine is so stretchy. I think I'm gonna win this round.
I think you're gonna win the stretchy challenge. Now that our slimes are done, we're gonna be doing 4 challenges and at the end, a decoration challenge.
4 challenges are gonna be stretchiest,
Biggest bubble, most pops, and wobbliest. Challenge 1, stretchiest.
Oh
Okay.
shoot, I can't pull it.
My strategy is to just let it fall and then it's gonna get longer and longer and longer. My strategy is to just keep stretching. Oh my, I think yours is gonna work. Mine was the longest.
No, mine is 1589.
Bruh.
Step 2, who can make the biggest bubble?
Okay, Rich. I'm trying to get mine all thin and flat. 3, 2, 1. 3, 2, 1.
I'm gonna try to make a bubble.
Nobody could make a bubble, so now time to move on to the next round. Who can make the most pops?
I get the point this time.
Round 4 was the wobbliest slime.
We'll take a look at.
Where are you getting glitter?
Who do you think? Mine was so wobbly.
Rich, you get 1 point. Now that we've done the play challenge, we have 1 minute to decorate. And whoever's decorated the most festive gets the last point. Okay, I got these. Oh, Rich. Yeah, that's shiny. Oh, wow, there's none left. Okay, Rich just used the whole pack. I'm just trying to make mine look like snow underneath. Rich is mine. There's only 10 seconds left.
Oh no.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Okay, now we're gonna choose who we think has the best looking slime. But you can't pick your own. Whisper in my ear, who do you like the best? Not yours. Bruce, who do you like the best? We're gonna reveal our votes in 3, 2, 1. Rich, you broke the rules. You can't vote for yourself. So we all won.
Yeah!